The biggest lie young people hear at 20 is this: go to university and you're guaranteed a high paying job. While education is important, the reality has shifted. Today, the degree alone isn't enough to make you rich. But here's the good news: pairing your education with the right side hustle can change everything. Whether you're 16 or 26, it's never too early or late to start. Today, I'll walk you through 5 side hustles that can earn you $1,000 per month or more. Let's dive in. Start faceless short form content. First, let's talk about faceless short form content. Meet Daniel Bitton, who earns $500,000 a month at just 16. His secret? Posting trending topics like rapper updates or live streamer highlights. With just his voiceovers and a consistent posting schedule, Daniel has mastered the art of captivating viewers. Platforms like TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are competing for attention, and they're paying creators handsomely. Even beginners can monetize quickly. Want proof? Snapchat Spotlight offers rewards for viral videos, while YouTube Shorts now has an exclusive monetization program. It's all about being consistent. Steps to start creating faceless content. Find trending topics using free tools like Google Trends or TikTok Analytics. Add voiceovers. Use free editing tools like CapCut. Post consistently, 5-7 videos a week. Creating content might seem intimidating, but it's easier than ever with free tools like CapCut for editing. Spend 1 to 2 hours daily and you'll see results. The best part? You don't even need to show your face. Number 2, investing. Investing may not feel like a side hustle, but when done right, it can build generational wealth. Here's how. Start with strategies like dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly into index funds such as the S&P 500. Over decades, even small contributions can grow into a fortune. Imagine putting away just $200 a month. With compound interest, this could grow to over $1.2 million in 40 years. And if you want faster results, pair investing with a side hustle and reinvest your earnings. Step to start investing. Open a brokerage account, examples, Robinhood, Fidelity. Start with index funds like VOO or ETFs like QQQ. Automate your contributions. Remember, investing isn't gambling, it's a calculated strategy. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll thank yourself later. Number 3, Discord server management. Next, let's talk about Discord server management. Chris Peters, at just 19, makes $15,000 a month managing Discord servers for clients. Businesses and communities are shifting to Discord to build loyal audiences, but many need help creating engaging, well-organized spaces. You can learn server management by joining existing communities. Observe what works, then start offering upgrades to small servers. Build your portfolio, and soon you'll have paying clients. Steps to start Discord server management. Join popular servers to learn. Examples: gaming, NFT, or business servers. Create your portfolio by offering free upgrades. Market your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. The demand for skilled Discord managers is growing rapidly. 4 clients paying $250 a month each can earn you $1,000 a month with just a few hours of work weekly. Number 4, online coaching. Jack Jefferson turned his fitness coaching side hustle into a $7,000 a month business. The secret? Personalization. From tailored workout plans to video feedback, Jack's approach sets him apart. Online coaching isn't just for fitness. Do you have a teachable skill like graphic design, language tutoring, or career mentoring? Package it, sell it online, and create a stream of income. Steps to start coaching. Choose your niche and identify your target audience. Create packages. Start with affordable rates to build testimonials. Use platforms like Zoom or Google Meet to conduct sessions. With as few as 10 clients paying $100 a month, you'll hit $1,000 a month effortlessly. Number 5, AI animation. AI-powered animation is one of the most exciting new side hustles. Mercy makes $8,000, $10,000 a month creating short animations for creators and brands. iTools handle the heavy lifting, but creativity is key. From explainer videos to ad campaigns, AI animations are in high demand. Tools like Midjourney or DALL-E make generating visuals easier than ever. Steps to start AI animation. Learn the basics of AI tools. Start with free trials. Build a portfolio targeting specific niches. Offer your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or direct outreach. From creating short-form content to managing Discord servers, these side hustles have the potential to transform your life. Don't wait. Start now, stay consistent, and build the future you deserve. Which side hustle will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.